On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a beautiful handmade print from our shop that is linked below. Queen needs her brown, everyone.
I think we're just gonna get this one.
Acquired the sugar. Good evening, everyone.
Should we reveal our ideas or not until the end?
I think we should reveal them
Okay.
now. And then we can explain ourselves.
Okay. I'm making almost, not all of them, but I'm gonna try to make a lot of the variations of Shooky.
The Shooky family. I'm gonna be doing KOYA, big KOYA, baby KOYA, and then Tata.
Okay.
So yeah,
Let's get started.
let's get started.
Okay.
We have everything prepped and ready to go, except for the frosting. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're gonna make the different colors.
It smells really good though. This smells delicious.
Take this one.
What did you put in here?
Just the ingredients it said on the bag. Wait, did you throw away the bag?
Yeah, but it's on top of the trash.
Oh, okay.
Smells like butter and sugar.
Okay.
I don't know, it smells like really good. It smells like Rita's. The custard. It just smells good.
Custard? I feel like we're making pizza.
This is really fun. Oh my God. Hey!
What?
It's working.
It is working.
I am so excited.
Me too. I think it's gonna actually turn out really good.
I'm coming for you, KOYA.
I feel like it's too thin. It's too thin. I don't know. I think I keep making it too thin.
I think I'm making mine too
I think I'm gonna restart.
thin. 3 times the charm.
Dang! Every time I roll it out, it gets really.
Alright, it's time.
It kind of looks like Kirby.
Kirby Griffin! Reference on the iPad. Wait, I should take a progress video
Okay.
for you. This is what's going on with Shooky.
Wait, do you think it's too thin?
Not really. Just for like when you try and take it off. Oh!
Okay, we're starting over.
Start over. Don't be shy with the thickness.
Okay, I'm not. I have a Shooky mask, and also has a Shooky or KOYA mask.
I have a KOYA mask that I got pre-corona.
I know we got masks.
Before. Alright, progress update, my reference, and then we got the basic outline down. There we go. I have a Tata rug, a KOYA pillow, and the KOYA mask. And then I have like a KOYA little like pouch that I use at school all the time for like pencils and stuff.
That one is really cute. That was one of my favorite things that you bought.
It says like, not sleeping, just thinking. Really pretty.
Okay, this is gonna be horrible.
No, wait. We've already got a problem. Dear God. Reminds me of 2010. Nerd classes.
Yeah.
Honestly, your bathroom is like a sacred place. I love going in your bathroom.
my bathroom. Your bathroom's also nice. We should spend time in there.
We should.
Because we never. My bathroom's a secret place, but like your bathroom can mean
It's like a
something
secretive place.
different. Yeah. It's the place we always
always want to be, but we can't. I love my bathroom.
Can we go into your bathroom tonight?
Yeah, we should. You know, to clean up before you come in. No, like, I really gotta go. Like, I have to like vacuum and wipe. And I have to take out the trash. Anyone who's watching, God willing, comment your favorite BT21 character.
God willing?
I hope someone out there is watching this.
Me too.
We love you, whoever's watching. I feel like I'm giving like a toast to this music. Moment of silence for all of you watching out there. We love you and we really hope you're having a good day. And thank you for taking time to watch this. You're a queen.
It's gonna be me and you watching it.
This is for us. You're doing great and you look really pretty right now. Real quick phone update. This will look like before they go in the oven, so we're gonna see if they look completely different when they come out.
Okay, I'm just waiting for the cookies to be done.
Oh, the cloud on it looks really good. It looks really good. Also, the baby Koya looks really good.